What a wonderful December day. There's a surprise here in the backpack. You won't believe it, but it's a skateboard. So, woo! This is it, the LinkY skateboard. Hello everybody! If you are new to the channel, my name is GuideAngelo and this channel is all about me traveling the world and travel related items like this one here. Let's open the box. I'm very happy today because I got post from Italy. LinkY Innovation. It's a startup. As you well may know, be aware, I've already made a video about the best travel skateboard in 2019 and it was, for me, the Elongboard, which did on a curve board, and I can see some nice wheels here. We have some tools, we have the normal charger, the quick charger, and the remote. We have a backpack. I think the backpack is a pretty nice idea. It's coming with a skateboard and you're supposed to fit a skateboard inside. Can you see it? Woo! This is it, the LinkY skateboard. This is how it looks like. A pretty interesting concept, don't you think? Alright, let's try it outside. LinkY Innovation. The lightest foldable electro skateboard. The first time I needed a while, like 5 minutes, to figure it out how to unpack this. But it works pretty quick when you get used to it. It works. Alright. So, before I ride, let's take some nice pictures. I can tell you, it was nice to ride. You can ride it. It is less heavier than the mellow boards. It is easy to carry and you can ride it. But the fun element which you have with the mellow boards, you are not having it here. So this could be like my second board, where I can't bring this one because it's really too heavy, or I have too much luggage. I can put this. So this is it, the first impression about the LinkY Innovation skateboard. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. I still got an update about the skateboard. As you cannot bring a board with you in the plane as a check-in luggage with a battery over 100 watts, I talked to the guys at LinkY and they told me they are going to make a battery about 99 watts so that you can take the skateboard as hand luggage and check-in luggage in the plane. Anyway, now it's almost 1st of March 2020 and they didn't release the battery yet. That's why I'm giving you the update. Maybe when I will have it, I will test the skateboard with it and I will let you know how it works. Until then, right now I'm on Seychelles and the video is coming in about 1 month. So stay tuned and subscribe. Peace. So, let's put it like here. This here, it's a... Nope.